this video, we will learn how to write the hiragana character na. Na is 4 strokes. The first stroke begins with your brush pointed to the left, making a diagonal line up and to the right. The second stroke begins above the first stroke, making a line coming down to the left. Lift your brush as you exit the stroke as if the second and the third stroke were connecting. Begin the third stroke about in line with the first stroke, coming down and to the right, lifting your brush to make a light connection to the fourth stroke as you come down, making a triangle shape, and exiting out to the right. The whole character should roughly fit inside a diamond shape.